ATER stock, Aterian Inc. is on the move in this session of the 4th of April 2022. It has gained at 58.37%. At some point it was higher than that. So there hasn't been any news as such that is really concerning ATER. We haven't found any news as such. It is just a stock that maybe market participants or the short squeezers have decided to see what they can squeeze out of it. So we definitely know that it is a stock that has in the past it has had a decent amount of short interest. As a matter of fact, a few weeks ago it had a decent amount of short interest, but as of now it is about 17%. It has dropped down to 17%. And these folks at the street, they're saying that one of the biggest drivers of investor skepticism towards ATER was a report by Comparative Research, which labeled Aterian as an overhyped artificial intelligence. So the same report also suggested that Aterian had also made bad acquisition deals. So as of now, yes, the utilization rate of its borrowed stock is about 100%. As of the beginning of March, that was the case. It's still also the case. So utilization is the number of loaned shares divided by the available shares in the securities lending market. When this rate approaches or reaches saturation, it means that short sellers need to be more resourceful in finding shares to short, and that could be an eventual catalyst for a short squeeze. Okay, there's plenty of hope for positive movement on the stock too, despite the highly negative view from Comparative Research. Okay, so yes, it's on the move at the moment. So some have a price target of about 5.50. Okay, we have a target of 3.9 in this very short time. In this session, we think it can get to 3.9 in this session. Or okay, yes, at some point actually it was at 3.922. So that's our target for now. For ATER. Okay, and the stock is currently rallying within a longer term bearish trend. That's what we are seeing now. And down here it's saying, okay, it says that it appears to be consolidating. Okay, we see a rally, but indeed, yes, it is pretty much. It can also be construed as a consolidation. So it's they're saying it's the readout here says it's consolidating, and also lagging the S&P 500. Today's momentum is strongly bullish. The 14-period Slow Stochastic Oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for ATER. And today's volume is on track to be heavier than usual, with 114.26 million shares having traded so far. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are more active than sellers. Yes, buyers are more active than sellers, and ATER is also optionable. So a lot of things are going on here. You can see the option volumes. This is only for the 14th of April. You can see some of them. You can see some of the changes we are looking at here. In terms of volume, 2,400 in terms of volume. Price wise, some of them are not. Some of them are high as well. 1,250 for the 250 calls. But it's for this Friday, the 8th of April. So a lot of things have gone on there. So given the fact that it's optionable, and the fact that it's a stock that is probably going through some squeeze, because of definitely we saw the utilization. We saw it was 100%, but we saw it. We saw the utilization figure. It was 100. It was indicating 100% based on what OTEX has, and unfortunately we couldn't get that picture for you because they want us to sign up, and so right now it is trying to resist the resistance from its I would say it's a 50-minute moving average and the other moving averages. At the moment it just got support from its 200 minute moving average. So it's on the move. Our target is 3.9 for ATER in the very short term. A long term target, we We just have to find out what the long-term target is. We just have to look at what's been going on of late, and we will maybe just come up with a much longer term target. So taking this price of 32.7 and this low of 2.09, we have a difference of 0.61. We multiply that by 2.618, we have 1.59 plus the current price of 3.7. That will give us that's 3.7. Okay, that will give us 5.29, somewhat close to what some of those targets from other analysts are, or rather is. So our much longer term target is 2.59, and the near term one, anytime even in this session, is 3.9. So see what you make of ATER, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.